Hey SuperEx users! Today, we're going to show you how to withdraw tokens to the Super Smart Chain Testnet, or SCS Chain Testnet using MetaMask. So, sit tight and let's get started. Open your SuperEx wallet and select Spot Account. In all currencies, find TSCS and click on Withdraw. Now, fill in your MetaMask wallet address and the withdrawal amount. Remember to copy your MetaMask address correctly. Paste the copied wallet address into the withdrawal interface. Then, enter the amount you wish to withdraw. Please note, a small transaction fee may apply. After providing this information, click on the Withdraw button. On the confirmation page, carefully check the withdrawal information. If the information is correct, click Confirm. You will be asked for verification. The type of verification varies, so complete it as per your account's safety measures. After entering the verification information, click Next. You will see a pop-up window showing successful withdrawal. Return to the MetaMask wallet, and there you go. You'll see that your TSCS tokens have been successfully withdrawn. And that's it, folks. You've successfully withdrawn tokens to the SCS chain using MetaMask wallet. Remember, always double-check all the information you input to avoid any accidents. If you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more useful guides and crypto news. See you in the next video.